Good morning, everyone. Today's lesson is a little different. We're not learning grammar. We're not learning vocabulary. We're going to learn something that can quietly decide whether a business grows or disappears. Tell me, how many of you think having a website means success? Interesting. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Ali. Ali started a small business. He worked hard, he believed in his service, and one day he decided, I need a website. So he hired a designer. A few days later, his website was ready. It looked nice. Clean design, good colors. Ali smiled and said, now customers will come. One day passed, nothing happened. 1 week passed, still nothing. 1 month passed, not a single inquiry. Ali checked his phone again and again, hoping for a message, an email, anything. But there was only silence. So what went wrong? The website existed, but it didn't work. Let's break it down. First, it looked generic, like hundreds of other websites. Second, it didn't clearly explain the offer. Visitors were confused. Third, it didn't build trust. No strong message, no clear reason to choose this business. And here's the most important part. Visitors came, they looked, and then they left.
That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, remember to practice every single day. Watch this video at least 4 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your speaking skills quickly and confidently. Focus on copying the intonation and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Sam for more useful and easy English videos.